Welcome to lesson 3 of writing practice. Okay, the letters we're going to be covering today are Gayn, Fa, Qaaf and Kaaf. So let's start. Gayn. Okay, start off with the head of Gayn and go down, and then it's the base. Now this base looks very familiar. It's like the base of the Ha that we did before. Kha, Ha, Kha, Jim. Okay, similar base. So let's just break it down. So we have 4 parts. Okay, so let me choose another color, a bit brighter, green. So you have one there, one part there, one part there, and we have this big base here. Now let me just show you 4 parts. This base here, okay, what you can actually imagine is that this is the same as the Ha. So if you had a Ha there, you could have actually brought the Ha like that. You could have brought the Ha down, and you could have written the Ha with that belly. So this is a belly that you can practice with. Next is the, let me just put a dot there. Next is the Fa. The Fa, okay, is comprised of 2 parts. One is the head and one is the belly, or the base, sorry. Now Fa is made of 2 parts. These 2 parts, okay, are quite important because, okay, let me just go back to this, the second part first. The second, okay, this is second, this is the first part. The second part is similar to the Ba. It's exactly the same as Ba. In fact, it's just that in the beginning it doesn't have that the vertical piece. Okay, the vertical line, it doesn't have that. This is why the more you practice, okay, the more it's going to become easier. And don't worry if you make a mistake and go over it again and again and again. The first part here, this head, it's the same head used for the Qaaf, which we'll see in a bit, and also the Waw, which we'll see. That's why, it's important to practice and try and getting it right. Fa, after Fa it's Qaaf. Okay, so if you have like same as the head of the Fa, except with a round base. Okay, so you have Qaaf. Okay, you can make it a bit more rounder. I've just made it like this, a bit more rounder. Now this is made up of 2 parts as well, and now if you notice, okay, it's exactly the same as the Fa, the head of the Fa. So you can actually draw Qaaf on there. You'd get away with it. Okay, Qaaf on that. Now this round piece here, or the round line here, this is almost as a full circle, and this is something you need to get practicing. Okay, once you start practicing this will make the Noon easy as well, like we'll see a bit later. Okay, so that's the Qaaf, and we just get rid of that. The next one is the Kaaf. Kaaf, pretty simple, straight line going down. Just before you reach the bottom, bring a line to the left. Okay, you bring a line to the left and bring it slightly up. You have to bring it all the way up. Okay, up to there, and that's the Kaaf. Okay, 2 pieces. It's made of 2 parts. This is the first and this is the second. Now this part here is very similar to the Ba. Okay, very similar, but slightly shorter in distance, okay, from the, or in width, in length, sorry, of the Ba or the Fa. And this is something you can practice on as well. So I hope you benefited from that. You can keep practicing going down. So let me just, for example, let me take another color. You can go down and practice here as well. So you can say, okay, keep going down, Gayn. Okay, keep practicing, and soon your hand will become used to making these shapes. Okay, hope you find it easy, and if you want to send me any practice, anything you've written down, you practiced on, then you can take a picture of it or scan it and email it to me, and inshallah I'll have a look at it. Jazakumullah khair.